Hello everybody, I'm live streaming from USk Symposium in Porto here. So I'm actually at Rob Sketchman workshop, and he just told everybody to dance like right now, out of nowhere. That was pretty cool. I don't know if you could catch that part. And he's doing little things again. Okay. Okay, this is pretty cool. As you can see, everybody's having fun. Um, yeah. So I'm just going to talk to someone. I'm trying to. While he's talking. So, hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
BJ.
BJ. So, uh, Rob just told you guys to do some movements, some dance
Yeah,
movements. How do you feel about it?
fine. I stood up and I did one, and then I sat down again.
Okay. And what have you? What's your opinion on this symposium this year?
It's great.
It's great.
Yeah. Porto is lovely. Porto is
How can you describe it in 3 words?
vibrant, busy, colorful.
Why colorful?
Because of the colors of the painted houses and the river and the boats. Everything was very colorful. It's lovely.
Um, okay. What's the thing you enjoy the most in this symposium so far?
It's all great. I'm loving it. Great. Yeah. I can't think of anything particular. I think just getting around Porto with people who can draw is great, and being allowed to draw in front of other people. That's fine.
Can I just speak a little bit on your sketch? I see you are doing one
No, that's
little.
wrong. I was going to do him, but there you go. I like doing people.
I interrupted you. Sorry.
No, I'm missing my lesson.
Okay, please enjoy.
Thank you.
So right now we're talking to this one. Live stream through Urban Sketchers account on Facebook. You can see it later.
Yeah, hello.
No, don't know if you want to say hello to somebody.
uh, my wife and kids are away waiting for me.
So Rob just told you guys to do some dance movements.
Mhm.
Have you done it?
I'm just starting, but I'm also trying to do an iPad, which Rob is an expert. It's a bit intimidating, but it's really nice.
And what's the thing that you enjoy the most drawing so far here in Porto?
In Porto, that's a good question. It's so hard to pick things in Porto. I'm actually from Porto, yeah, and
Me too.
but I don't live here anymore. So
Neither do I.
it's nice to come back now and kind of look at the city. I started sketching while I was away, so now I actually coming back home and sketching Porto for well, not first time, but in a different with a different view. Um, I really like the narrow alleys of Porto, all the stairs and the houses and how the light goes in. I think it's beautiful.
Yes. If you can pick just one place to advise other people to come and sketch, what would you pick?
I think the riverfront is so beautiful, isn't it? With all the different colored buildings and all the people there and quite alive. I think it's nice.
Okay. So this is your last workshop in the symposium. We do you have one favorite so far?
I did well. This one is just starting, so I yet to know. Yesterday I did Maru Godas, which was amazing. Was really nice. Was something totally different to what I usually do. She really push you, and you achieve things that you never expected to do. Gouache like a child, and it was really nice. I really loved it. She's amazing, and the way she spoke, what she shown, and what she made us doing was pretty spectacular.
Okay. Do you have, I don't know, something to say to other urban sketchers that don't usually come to the symposium?
Yeah, I think it's amazing experience. It's more, yes, we can draw and we're always drawing outside, but I think I spend more time talking with people and meeting people than actually, drawing, I guess. I think that's it, the experience of meeting everybody and see everybody's work and different skills and different levels and learn and meet people. It's great.
Yes, it's pretty fun because everybody just came along and they just want to talk and interact with other people.
Yeah, you just go and chat with someone and say, hey, I'm Marum, where are you and where are you from? And you just chat and that's it. Like everybody's very, very welcoming.
Thank you so much. So, as you see, we have some really nice and positive things, opinions, and I don't know. So, this lady is drawing. So, hello.
Hi.
This is a live streaming to Urban Sketchers account.
Hello, Urban Sketchers.
Right now, only 3 people are watching, but
Hello, the 3 special people who are watching.
can you tell us your name?
My name is Rita Sabler.
Have you ever been to Porto?
My first time in Porto.
Your first time, and what you are thinking so far of the city?
I love the city. I think it's a sketcher's paradise. There's so many things to see, to draw. I can't stop looking at it. There's a great surprise at every turn.
And what do you? What was your favorite object or street or monument? What's the your favorite thing that you have already drawn or want to sketch later?
I think I just love all the textures that I see here. The ironwork, rooftops, stone. That's okay. Rooftops, textures in the buildings. Um, so the repetition and the cascading style of the street layout is what is really interesting for me to draw.
So this one is the last workshop of the symposium. What have you been to other symposiums?
Yes, yes, I have.
What can you say in comparison? Like, if you have to compare this one to other.
Well, this one is the biggest symposium, so it's great that the movement is growing, that it's becoming so diverse, and that there are more and more people who are interested in urban sketching.
So what's your how long have you been sketching?
I've been sketching all my life, but I got introduced to urban sketching during the first symposium that happened in Portland, where I live.
And how many symposiums have you participated so far?
I think this is my 7th.
It's your?
7th.
Oh my God! You like? Oh my God! Next year you'll be organizing this stuff.
Veteran.
And can I speak a little bit of what you're doing? So okay. And that is what you usually do?
So I'm here as the correspondent, and I'm just covering everything that's happening during the symposium. Yesterday I covered 6 workshops.
Oh my God.
Making postings on the blog about them so that people could either refresh their memory, or the people who couldn't attend could see what was happening.
That's I'm always forgetting. Yes. Do you have I don't know. I'm sorry, I'm taking too long. Okay. Do you have one advertise to someone, other sketchers that are afraid to come to a meeting so big as Urban Sketching Symposium?
Who are afraid to come to symposium? Well, you shouldn't be afraid. It's a lot of fun. You make new friends, and it's a great, energetic place to be in. So I hope more people join next time.
One last question. Will you return to Port? If you have the chance?
I hope so, because I didn't get to see quite enough of everything I wanted to see in sketch. So, yeah.
Do you want to say hello to someone? They are probably not seeing it, but
3 people who are watching, hello. If you see me, come and say hello.
okay. Thank you so much. So, as you can see, Robert is continuing to explain the workshop to the attendants. So, yes, this was my last live scream, live streaming. Sorry, and next, like in just let me check the time. Okay, at 10 a.m. and 30, I think. Annabella will do another live, and she's doing also one in this afternoon. So please watch it and I don't know, just watch it and for you to be able to see what's going on. I hope I did a good live stream, and this was my last one. So bye.